Hello, everyone. A book you can't put down is a result of well-constructed scenes and perfect pacing. Ever wondered how authors do it? Today, we'll explore the secrets behind this art, revealing the techniques that keep readers engaged from cover to cover. Understand the importance of writing effective scenes. Learn techniques for controlling the pace of your story. Explore methods for showing versus telling in your writing. Writing effective scenes. Scenes are the fundamental units of a story, each contributing to the overall narrative. A well-constructed scene advances the plot, develops characters, and engages readers. Key elements of a well-constructed scene. Goal. The protagonist or another character should have a clear objective in the scene. This motivates the action and gives the scene purpose. Conflict. Introduce obstacles or opposition that create tension and challenge the character's goal. Conflict keeps the scene engaging. Resolution. The scene should end with some form of resolution, whether it's a victory or a defeat. This moves the story forward. Setting. Establish a setting that enhances the mood and context of the scene. The setting can influence the character's actions and the scene's atmosphere. Example, in Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, the scene where Harry first learns about his true identity from Hagrid is effective because it has a clear goal, Hagrid informing Harry, conflict, Harry's disbelief and the Dursleys' resistance, and resolution, Harry accepting the truth, all set in the memorable backdrop of the hut on the rock, controlling the pace of the story. Pacing controls the speed at which your story progresses. Effective pacing ensures that the reader remains engaged. Techniques for effective pacing. Varying sentence lengths. Short sentences can create a sense of urgency, while longer sentences can slow the pace for reflection and detail. Action and dialogue. Use action and dialogue to speed up the pace. Scenes with more dialogue and action move at a faster clip. Description and exposition. Slow the pace with detailed descriptions and exposition. This is useful for providing important background information or developing the setting. Cliffhangers and hooks. Ending scenes or chapters with a cliffhanger or hook can keep readers turning the pages. Example, Dan Brown's The Da Vinci Code uses short chapters, rapid dialogue, and cliffhangers to maintain a fast pace, keeping readers on the edge of their seats. Techniques for showing versus telling. Show, don't tell is a fundamental principle in writing. It means revealing important details through action and dialogue rather than directly stating them. Techniques for showing. Action. Describe what characters do to reveal their emotions and motivations. Dialogue. Use characters' speech to convey information and personality. Sensory details. Engage the reader's senses to create scenes. Internal thoughts. Show characters' inner thoughts to reveal their feelings and reactions. Example. Instead of writing John was nervous, you could write John's hands trembled as he reached for the key. Balancing different types of scenes. A well-paced story balances different types of scenes to maintain interest and prevent monotony. Consider the following. Action scenes. High-energy scenes with physical activity or intense conflict. These are fast-paced. Dialogue scenes. Conversations between characters that reveal information, develop relationships, and advance the plot. Reflective scenes. Slower scenes where characters make decisions or reveal inner thoughts. These add depth and emotional weight. Descriptive scenes. Focus on setting, atmosphere, and sensory details. These help to immerse readers in the world of the story. Example, in J.R.R. Tolkien's The Hobbit, the escape from Goblin Town and the riddle game with Gollum are balanced with more reflective scenes like Bilbo's moments of self-doubt and the quiet beauty of Rivendell, creating a varied reading experience. Assignment. Craft a scene and create a corresponding pacing graph that visually represents the tension and action throughout. Analyze the graph to ensure the scene's pacing keeps the reader engaged. Suggested reading. To further hone your skills, I suggest reading Scene and Structure by Jack M. Bickham. It offers valuable thoughts into crafting effective scenes and managing pacing in your writing. Closing thought. Scene construction and pacing are essential for creating a captivating story. Each scene should serve a purpose, and the pacing should keep your readers engaged, whether through action-packed sequences or reflective moments. Experiment with these techniques and pay attention to how they shape your story. The key is to keep your readers interested from the first page to the last. Happy writing!